Hey, it's Erik Praskins, your host of the Erik Sells Real Estate Show, and I'm excited to be back with Ethan Pikoff of Academy Mortgage. We have some really great content to go over with you today. I've been working with a lot of first-time home buyers lately, and there's some really great programs out there, and there's also a lot of misunderstanding. Ethan, let's go over some programs here and how we can really help these people.
Yeah, so we have a couple different programs. We have what's called Home in 5, which is typically used for your FHA loans, and then we have something called Home Plus, which is used for conventional loans more times than not. And this is a great opportunity for first-time home buyers. You don't have to be a first-time home buyer, but it's a great opportunity for first-time home buyers.
So what is the max purchase price to get in one of these programs?
So for Home Plus, the max acquisition purchase price is $371,936. Super specific number, but that's the number it is. And then for Home in 5, the max acquisition purchase price is $300,000.
So I get the question, what are the interest rates on these programs? You're getting this free money, there's gotta be a catch, right?
All of these programs, Home in 5, Home Plus, they both come with set county rates. So whether you have a qualifying credit score of a 640 or a perfect credit score of 800 and up, you're gonna have the same exact interest rate. Currently right now with Home Plus, if we're doing the 5% down option, which gives you the most grant amount, with today's market, it's at 5.375. With Home in 5, with today's market, it's at 4.875. So a little bit lower with the Home in 5, but again, Home in 5 is an FHA loan, and with FHA loans, as we learned in our last video, they have two types of mortgage insurance. They have upfront mortgage insurance, which is 1.75% of the loan amount, gets factored in to create your total loan amount, and then you have monthly mortgage insurance of 0.85%. And that mortgage insurance is going to be there for the lifetime of the loan. So if we can go ahead and qualify for Home Plus and go the conventional route, it's going to be more beneficial as far as the mortgage insurance factor. You're gonna have a lower monthly mortgage insurance, and you're not gonna be charged upfront mortgage insurance.
That's good to know.
Yeah, so a really big deal. Your minimum FICO score to qualify for the Home in 5 program is 640. When you're between 640 and 659, the grant amount that you're given is actually 2.5%. Whereas if you're at 660 FICO score or higher, it goes to 3.5%. So this is a really big deal, because if you are doing the 2.5% grant, because you are between that 640 to 659 mark, then that means you as the borrower are required to come in with 1% of the purchase price. So with Home Plus, on paper, the guideline says 640. And at a 640, it's pretty hard to get a DU approval with a conventional loan, which means that Fannie Mae is going to be one of the investors of the loan. It's a little hard at 660, but it's really close to that 680 to 700 mark that you're going to want to be at. But it's a really big deal on a conventional loan. When you're at the 660 mark or lower specifically, your mortgage insurance factor is going to be a lot higher, which is going to make your monthly mortgage payment a lot higher, and it's going to make your debt to income ratio a lot higher. So if we can go ahead and get your credit score closer to that 680, 700 and up mark, that's really going to allow us for more options to give you a lower mortgage payment.
So I would say it's really important to reach out to us right away. If your credit's not right there, we can help come up with a game plan on getting your credit over a 660, so then they can actually have less closing costs to pay for, right?
Exactly, that's a really big deal. So if we're right on the cusp where we're at that 659, it's so important to try to get you to that 660. We will get you there.